guys, I am here in SIEM REAP. I made it, caught the bus today from Phnom Penh. It's about a 6 to 7 hour trip. Super cheap if you are looking to book your transport around Asia. I highly recommend using the One2Go Asia app. Yeah, really easy and convenient to use, and you've got lots of good options there. You can sort of work with your budget with different transport. Yeah. That's really how I've been getting around and had a good experience so far. But I am super keen to hit up lots of cool things the next couple of days here in SIEM REAP, doing Angkor Wat, of course. I'm actually going to be doing a Khmer cooking class, which sounds pretty cool, teaching me to cook local cuisine. So yeah, I'm really keen to give that a whirl and bring some of the skills back home to the kitchen. So I'm actually here right now on New Year's Eve, so I'm going to be going out for the night, just checking the vibe, maybe doing a bit of bar hopping, and yeah, then having a good couple of days exploring. So I'll take you guys along for the ride with me.
So after dinner, I tried to head to a few bars in the Pub Street area. The area I found just was way too packed too quickly. Like, it started to really fill up much earlier in the night than I thought. And also I just found like you could not move. Like, it was packed in like sardines. And the music was just honestly thumping so loud and so much. It was hard. It was like vibrating through my body. And I was like, maybe I'm getting too old for this. So I actually found a place that was doing these like leg and foot massages. That you can find a place for a massage almost anywhere in SIEM REAP, and they're always open super late. So yeah, I actually stopped by to get a foot and leg massage at like 11 p.m. because I had done a lot of walking in the last few days. And so I thought, you know what, why not treat myself New Year's Eve? Let's, ring out, like, see in the new year in a good way, and head back to the hostel to the rooftop party that they were supposed to be having. But that really was a bit of a letdown also because there wasn't many people up on the roof. They're all busy out, I assume, partying in bars. So yeah, then stayed up there for the fireworks, which was a letdown, if I'm honest, pretty kind of anticlimactic. So all in all, I'd say leave SIEM REAP off your New Year's Eve list, but it was time for me to get some sleep and get ready for a busy day tomorrow.
Mortar.
And then the big round one?
The big anti-tank is in a plastic from Russia.
Oh, this one's from Russia?
Yes.
Yeah. So these spikes would be on the ground?
On the ground. And
on the ground.
When you step on infection and the blood come out.
And if you stepped on a mine and you landed on this would injure you even more.
Yes.
Yes, I see. So you could have your legs damaged and blown off, and then
Yes.
this would stick into
Yes.
your
Yes.
body as you fall.
Yes.
And then rusty, so infected.
See, very hard to see the wire.
Oh yes, there. And it's a tripwire.
Yes, it's like that. This is the bouncing Betty.
Oh yeah, the one that flies up.
Yes, and on the tree like that.
So I'm just here at the Landmine Museum, just outside of SIEM REAP. About 45-minute tuk-tuk journey just out of town. And I've just gone through, spent about an hour in there having a look at the displays, and got the opportunity to take a guided tour with one of the volunteers who has a personal connection to these landmines and who has actually lost part of their leg as a child and lost some of his siblings due to these as well. And it's quite phenomenal just how much is not known about the use of them and about the Khmer Rouge regime itself, who supported the Khmer Rouge. Conflict between them and Vietnam, it's really like an underexplored section of 20th century history that I think is so important to learn about when you're here in Cambodia. And I highly recommend in SIEM REAP that you take the chance to come out. And it's a $5 entry, so well worth it. It goes to supporting supporting NGOs and children's education here in Cambodia, and also the continual clearing of landmines, which still happens today. It's crazy. My tour guide told me there was about 3 to 6 million landmines that still exist that haven't been found or detonated, and there are accidents every day through Cambodia where people accidentally step on something in the ground not knowing what it is and end up injured or losing their life because of it. So yeah, super crazy to think about, but definitely a necessary experience, along with the killing fields and S21 prison in Phnom Penh. So I'm gonna head back into town now and get ready for my Khmer cooking class and take you guys along. So I have made it to the next stop of the day, which is the Khmer cooking class. Just jumped out of the hostel pool and decided to come along and learn some new skills in the kitchen. I'm here with my new friend, Juan.
Hello.
And yeah, we're going to be cooking a 3-course meal.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Are you good in the kitchen? Do you like cooking at home?
Actually, no.
No?
This is like a... Yeah.
Well, I think we're going to get a bit better today, and hopefully, go home with something nice for dinner. So we'll see how we go.
But you take your whole roll like this.
Oh, the whole
Yeah,
thing.
Yeah, you take
Wow.
out.
You take it out.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And you want
Any one?
this one.
This one?
Big,
That
yeah.
one is big.
Yeah.
Cute.
It's so big. Oh! That is
Oh my
so
god.
cool. Yeah, you can.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
you
one
roll. You roll.
twisted.
Roll?
Yeah, roll.
Roll.
Roll. No, roll this one.
Oh, you roll
yeah,
that one.
Yeah, roll. Yeah.
Ah, I see. It's like almost the size of my head. This is huge. It's like the size of my head. Or almost. I've got a pretty big head, but thanks.
Menu, you can choose 4 dishes.
4 dishes from
yeah.
the menu?
Yeah, for 1 starter, 1 for main dish,
Okay.
1 vegetable,
Oh.
and 1 dessert,
Oh.
and you Sam.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Four
And the
dishes.
vegetable dish is
Yeah.
separate from the main.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Yes.
Okay. And we take the skin off for the banana.
Yeah.
Put inside too.
That looks good, Mike.
And some cashew for you.
Oh,
yeah.
beautiful.
Wow.
I love cashews. That's why I went for the chicken.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Olive?
Yes.
Yeah, you can taste.
Ah.
Right now you can taste too. Close the plate like this.
Ah, and turn over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can do that. Close the plate and upside down. Yeah. You want to take picture?
Yes. Here we go. Ready? Here comes
Yeah.
the big reveal.
Yay!
So after we spent time with our local Khmer teacher, Yvonne, making our 4-course meals, it was time to sit down and give it a try and take home some awesome leftovers for tomorrow.
Ayang, we made it.
Yeah.
I don't know where to start.
A lot of food.
I think we're gonna go start with the fried rice. Anything with cashews is a win for me. The pineapple really makes it. So good.
I can't believe that I made this.
And it's so easy. I can totally do this at home. Like, what have I been doing all this time?
Ingredients was so simple too.
Yes.
Well, guys, that is a wrap for this episode. Thanks so much for coming along the journey with me. And thank you so much to our guides from the Khmer cooking class for taking us on a trip through the markets and for teaching us how to cook our awesome Cambodian meals. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because it really supports my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.